Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Calf Lib with Chicory, Blackberry, Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is you get the mix for Chicory on coffee blend into this mug, and then you pour in the hot water. And then, last but not least, open up the Blackberry, Hibiscus, carbonated water, and you pour it into this mug. And then you gotta let it settle. Just gotta let the brown coffee rise for the decaf. Stir it up. And then pour in. And then there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated calf lib grain bars with chicory, blackberry, hibiscus. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.